The Honor 600 Pro is an upcoming upper mid-range smartphone that was officially teased by Honor. The Honor 600 Pro's physical design is revealed in recent leaks that point to an imminent launch for the Honor 600 series. The images show an orange color variant and a horizontally arranged triple camera module, and it seems the company has once again hit the copy-paste button to use the iPhone 17 Pro design for its upcoming digital series. The Honor 600 Pro features pronounced rounded corners, a narrow bezel, and a single punch-hole camera display, giving it a modern and polished look. A 6.57-inch 1.5K OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and a single punch-hole for the front camera. These phones will likely install a Snapdragon 8 series chip. Honor will use a 200MP main snapper, and probably the same ultra-wide plus periscope sensors. A massive 9000 mAh silicon carbon battery, which would be significantly larger than most competitors in its class. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.